fresh dose of tech news and insight. This is the Early Burb Briefing.
It is Saturday, April 2nd, 2022. This is Early Burb Briefing. I'm Eagle Falcon. I feel bad, actually. I wish I had enough time to do something better than just act like a raving lunatic for one 4-minute podcast. But that being said, I hope you guys at least did enjoy it a little bit. And with that, let's get back to our normal, regularly scheduled podcasting. Samsung is actually taking a major step forward when it comes to self-repair. They are actually partnering up with ifix and giving visual step-by-step repair guides for their devices. I gotta say, I am glad to see more and more companies start to embrace this line of thinking, because I'll be perfectly honest, the fact that we had more and more companies start trying to go down the path of everything's disposable is really troubling, and it's been troubling for a long time. To see pushback the other way is fantastic. Now, what I am very curious, and I haven't had a chance to take a look yet, do the guides on their phones and how to repair them talk about how to remove the battery? So in a phone, there is one component that will eventually die. It is the battery. Unfortunately, at this time, batteries are basically a consumable good. Now, eventually, you can take out the battery and it can be recycled. But Samsung, as demonstrated by Jerry Rig Everything and all of his teardowns, Samsung has a bad habit of hard gluing their batteries in place. Many other phones use a special kind of adhesive strip that holds down solid but has a little bit of the strip shown, and when you pull on the strip, the glue just pops out. That's it, the end. It's very safe to remove. The problem with lithium batteries is that if damage is done to the batteries, if they are punctured, they can combust. We actually know this because, of course, well, yeah, it's the one argument all these companies have been using for the longest time to try and say that no one should be inside their phones repairing it. The thing is that there are tons of people who are comfortable inside these devices. Heck, I made a living for a while repairing devices with no specialized training whatsoever. Wow. Just how comfortable I was with it, the proper tools, and a little bit of know-how, and a lot of experience. So I'm glad to see Samsung go down this route, and I hope more companies do so as well. That's going to do it for me. Stay safe and stay healthy.